everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're running into the error message, Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation while trying to use SFC or DISM tools, don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix this issue and get your system running smoothly again. Let's get started. The first thing to try is to repair the Windows Component Store. Use the DISM tool to repair the Windows Component Store. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run this command. This command will scan and fix any corruption in the component store. After the process is complete, rerun the SFC command and check if it works. Second method is to try running the System File Checker SFC tool in safe mode, that is, if your system is able to boot into it. Here's how to boot into safe mode. Type msconfig and open the system configuration. Go to the Boot tab, check Safe Boot, and select Minimal. Now, restart your computer and it will boot into safe mode. Once in safe mode, open Command Prompt and run the SFC command again. Wait for it to finish and see if you will get the same error. If the error persists, don't worry, we have more solutions. Disable the safe boot option, then restart the PC normally again. You should also try performing a manual check of disk errors. Corrupted files on your disk can also cause this error. To fix disk errors, run the Check Disk utility. Type the following command and press Enter. It will ask to schedule a disk check on the next restart. Type Y and restart your PC. After the disk check, run the SFC command again to see if the issue is resolved. If the above fixes didn't resolve the issue, your final option is to reinstall Windows in Windows 11 version 24H2. The simplest way to do this is through Windows Update, as this method retains your files and apps. To proceed, go to the Settings app, navigate to System, then Recovery, and select the Reinstall option. If that option isn't available, you can reset your PC to its factory settings. For the best results, choose the cloud download option instead of a local reinstall, and that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation error on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.